Welcome to an in-depth look at one of the most exciting areas of energy research, nuclear fusion. Today, we're breaking down the science behind the tokamak reactor. Nuclear fusion is the process that powers the stars, including our sun. It's the ultimate clean energy source we are trying to replicate here on Earth. Fusion occurs when two light atomic nuclei combine to form a heavier one, releasing massive amounts of energy in the process. The potential for clean, abundant energy is immense. So if fusion is so powerful, why don't we use it already? The challenge lies in recreating the extreme conditions found inside the sun. The core principle of fusion is forcing positively charged nuclei to merge. Since like charges repel, they naturally push away from each other. To overcome this natural repulsion, we need incredible force. This means applying immense heat, reaching millions of degrees Celsius, and intense pressure. At these extreme temperatures, the fuel isn't a gas or liquid. It's a plasma. Plasma is often called the fourth state of matter, where electrons are stripped from their atoms, creating a superheated, ionized gas. To handle and control this superheated plasma, scientists developed the tokamak, a revolutionary magnetic confinement device. A tokamak is essentially a donut-shaped vessel designed to contain the hot plasma using powerful magnetic fields. Tokamak is a Russian acronym for toroidal chamber with magnetic coils. Key components include massive superconducting magnets, vacuum vessels, and heating systems to bring the plasma to fusion temperatures. The whole process centers on heating the plasma and then keeping it stable and confined long enough for fusion to occur. Because no physical material can withstand the heat of plasma, the magnetic fields act as an invisible cage, wrapping around the plasma to prevent it from touching the reactor walls. The most common fuel for fusion is isotopes of hydrogen: deuterium, which is abundant in seawater, and tritium, which can be bred within the reactor itself. Once the plasma reaches the right temperature and density, the magic happens. The nuclei begin to fuse. In the deuterium-tritium reaction, they merge to form helium, release a fast-moving neutron, and, most importantly, generate a large amount of energy. The kinetic energy of those high-speed neutrons is converted into heat in a surrounding blanket, which can then be used to boil water and drive turbines, generating electricity. Fusion power offers a future with virtually unlimited, low-carbon energy. It's truly a game-changer for humanity. While commercial fusion power is still decades away, current experimental reactors, like ITER, are bringing us closer than ever to achieving sustainable fusion energy. The benefits include safety and minimal long-lived radioactive waste. The remaining challenges revolve around maintaining plasma stability and achieving net energy gain economically. Thank you for watching.